YouTube, welcome back to Wtf Rc Cars. So, like answering your questions, and one that I've been asked is the new INR4 GYB stability control. Can you bind this to the Noble Pro in the ultra fast, low latency 2-channel mode? So, let's get you in for a closer look and see if we can answer that question. Because so far this has been a very surprising and in a good way receiver. So if it can also do the ultra fast 2-way, that's definitely going to open it up to even more uses. But we'll try and bind it in ultra fast. I'll have it set up as though it'd be in an electric RC, and we'll see how it binds. And then if we do have the control of the stability side as well, it'd be interesting to see how this one goes. So come on in for a closer look. Right, so to start with, we have the ESC plugged into channel 2 with one of its wires coming out. We've got the servo that's going to be plugged into channel 1 for steering. We've got his little bind button. We've got his ESC. And we've got it all connected. So first thing we're going to want to do is go on to our Noble Pro. We're going to choose a blank model memory, which we've got selected. Channel number definition, change it to 2 and fast. Let's give it a name. It's a lot easier doing this when you've not got camera stuck in front of you, so you can see screen on controller at least, but I'm trying my best. So we want to go into bind, enhanced, and we should be able to start bind. Then press and hold as bind button, power up.
Binding successful.
So we can definitely bind in 2-channel mode. So let's have a look what options we've got. So we can still control all the servo frequencies separate. So let's try steering on analog, throttle on digital, just to make sure it works. So we've got his throttle and we've got his steering. So yep, we can still split our servo frequencies, so that's not going to be a problem for us. I'll just drop both them to analog because it's a cheap ESC and a Traxxas servo. So let's have a look if we've got any other options. So if we go into SVC, so let's have a look, see if we can calibrate.
Calibration successful.
So we can certainly calibrate it. So let's have a look. If we go into assign, let's see if we've still got the settings for stability assignable. So we can put steering gain on 1. And we can put throttle gain on another. So let's have a look. So we can turn it on, and we're definitely getting stability control. We can turn it off, no stability control. So if we turn it on, we can still change his throttle gain. So let's see if we back it all the way down, because it's easier showing you this than it is changing the throttle gain. So yeah, still all the functionality of the INR4 and the stability control. And in the, just go back so I can show you. So if we go to model,
Signal lost.
safety first, you have to turn it off, and it's bound in the 2-channel ultra fast mode. So as to answer that one, yeah, this little receiver just keeps giving. Let's wrap this one up. Right, so another question answered. Yes, although this is not the highest end sort of equipment to be trying this with, but if you have a nice high-end servo, a nice high-end ESC, and you want to use this in a race sort of situation where you're using the best electronics you can get and you want the fastest 2-channel response that you can actually get, then yeah, the INR4 can still be used with that. It can still be used with the full stability control, and you do get the instant response. You do get the lowest latency in this mode, and it is running full 2-channel. So, thanks again for watching Wtf Rc Cars. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, share to friends and family, post anything you want answering, and catch you guys again in the next one.